Hey travelers, ever wish you had a secret weapon to make your trips smoother, cheaper, and way more adventurous? You're in the right place. Welcome to Traveler's Toolkit, where we unpack the ultimate travel hacks you won't find in any guidebook. Get ready, we're hitting you with 10 game-changing tips in rapid-fire style that'll revolutionize how you travel. Let's go! New around here? We drop fresh travel hacks every week to level up your globetrotting game. Hit that subscribe button now and join our crew of savvy explorers. Stuck in a loud-packed airport dreaming of free food and quiet? You don't need a fancy ticket. Check this, tons of credit cards offer free lounge access as a hidden perk. No card? Grab a day pass. Cheaper than overpriced airport grub. Pro tip? Look into Priority Pass for even more options. Next flight, you're chilling in style. Rolling your clothes? That's old news. Meet the Ranger Roll, military-grade packing that crams more into your bag, no wrinkles. Lay your shirt flat, fold the sleeves, roll tight from the bottom. Pants? Fold lengthwise, roll from the waist. Boom! Space for days and everything's grab and go. Want dirt-cheap flights without the headache? Open an incognito browser window. Airlines jack up prices when they track you. Stay flexible with dates and nearby airports and watch those savings stack up. Hundreds of bucks saved in seconds. Yes, please. Overpriced food and cheesy souvenirs? No thanks. Spot tourist traps like a pro. If it's next to a landmark, skip it. Reviews all from tourists? Pass. Ask locals or hit Yelp for off-the-radar gems. Save cash, eat better, live the real vibe. Wi-Fi woes abroad? Download Wi-Fi Map. It finds free hotspots worldwide, even offline. Add Google Translate's offline packs for clutch moments. Calls, WhatsApp or Skype over Wi-Fi beats roaming fees every time. Stay connected, stress-free. Lost in translation? Not anymore. Google Translate's camera turns signs and menus into your language. Bam! Instant clarity. Conversation mode chats for you in real time. It's your pocket interpreter, no lessons required. Turn everyday spending into free trips. Grab a travel rewards card. Use it everywhere. Pay it off monthly. Snag sign-up bonuses and join airline or hotel loyalty programs. Points pile up fast and you're jetting off for nada. Crave real adventure? Ditch the tourist traps. Use Google Maps to scout parks, markets, or tiny museums nearby. Follow niche travel bloggers or Insta explorers for secret spots. Discover what the crowds miss. Solo travel's a blast, if you're smart. Share your plans with someone at home. Use TripIt to stay organized. Join group tours to vibe with others. Gut says nope, bail, confidence on, worries off. Jet lag dragging you down? Try the Arginine trick. Eat nuts or chocolate pre-flight. Stay hydrated, skip the booze. Landed? Soak up sunlight and sync to local time fast. Body clock reset in 24 hours. Science says so. Alright travelers, which hacks got you hyped? Tell us in the comments, we're dying to know. Loving these game changers? Smash that like button to let us know. Share this with your travel squad, they'll owe you big time. There you go, 10 hacks to turbocharge your travels. Want more gold like this? Subscribe to Traveler's Toolkit, we're your weekly dose of wanderlust wisdom. Join the crew, and let's explore the world together. Catch you next time, safe travels!